Want to scrape web data effortlessly? Today, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Web Scraper Chrome extension, one of the most powerful tools for web scraping. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Web Scraper. Click the Web Scraper extension from the list and hit Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to confirm. Once installed, you'll see the Web Scraper icon in the top right corner of your browser. Now go to the web page you want to scrape. This could be a product listing page, a blog post, or any data-heavy site. Click on the Web Scraper icon and select Create New Sitemap. A sitemap is your data extraction blueprint. Part 3. Selecting elements to scrape. Next, you need to select the data you want to scrape, such as product names, prices, or images. Click Select and highlight the elements you need. Web Scraper will automatically add the selected elements to the sitemap. Part 4. Running the scraper and exporting data. Once your sitemap is ready, click Start Scraping and let Web Scraper do its magic. Web Scraper will fetch the data in the background. You can track its progress here. Finally, export the scraped data in a format of your choice: CSV, Excel, or JSON. Part 5. Closing remarks, and that's it. You've successfully scraped data using Web Scraper on Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web scraping tips. Thanks for watching.